country, when carpenter no get share for us. No, you don't know this country. Person when they repair phone, no get phone. No, I know the joke now for Nigeria. I said about this country, come and real. Last week for my area, NEPA, office, cash fire, they call fire service. Fire service say they don't get lights to pump water. It's normal. When you don't say come and real. For this country, you're going to say power or they don't get power. No, you don't want Nigeria. This country, then they on gen to get power. I come meet the other one, they say, what una they on gen to get power? I say, my brother, now only God get power. All power belongs to him. In Nigeria, now they follow Nigeria, they play. This country don't send your papa. Una on good now, una some of una get money, some of una MTCU, una get money. If the country red, where, una go run. Me and my papa just die. We are one run go. My papa just died, oh. He died 13 years ago. He just died. Anytime I think to me, he just died. You know why? See, when my papa died, that man they die, sir. When my papa died, they come meet me say, your father did well. You know, say your papa get 2 land. I say, where he did? They say, actually, he no tell us. On a let him die. They say, you know, say your papa too well for you. You know, say no, they give you don't do visa for you to go London. I say where the visa dey. They say actually we don't know. Nothing pay me pass when my uncle come meet me say your father was a good man. You know say your papa buy shares for you. I say okay, when I go collect them. They say wait, when you enter 18 years. I don't pass 18 years since. Even plastic share no see. No joke, you know they see at this stand. Now stand up comedy they do. I bet one of these class are big. Oh, this country don't red. See, Nigeria now the only country that say any small thing. You go see person say, do you know me? Any small thing, do you know me? Or God, if I mash you now, you tell me, do you know me? If I mash you now, then I go look me, do you know me? I mean, I remember those days for bank. Let me say, if you go back, you need to stand for queue before you pay money. Not be say they go back, stand for queue. My mama look me, say, young man, I'm behind you. Now you waka go. Me want to stand, I don't get sense of it. The man waka go, come back. After 30 minutes, I don't pay, don't they go. Now the man come. Just waka, beat the queue. Waka, they go meet cashier. Now they tell go back! Beat the apple. I say, what's wrong with you? The person in my front has paid and gone. The one in my back has paid and gone. Do you know me? Eh? They come in and say, sir, please, this is a banking order. I say, for what? The person in my front has paid and gone. The one in my back has paid and gone. Do you know me? Security come in and say, please. He said, for what? I said, the person in my front has paid and gone. The one in my back has paid and gone. Do you know? Manager come in and say, please, come and I slap the manager. No! The whole bank quiet. Because they go to say, for this man to slap manager, he get money. He hoe. You know, say there is difference between same person where he hoe and who they hoe people. You say, now this man hoe. Now we come, the gossip. Now manager waka go the counter say, sir, bring your money. Now the man waka go outside, carry Ghana must go of money. This life get money, oh. The man carry Ghana must go of money. As they just see the Ghana must go, now they look and say, wow, sit down. They give the man small chops. Give him different things. They even give him gas when they twerk for him. Give him everything. They come in and say, what do you need for this life? He said nothing. They say you need something. They say you didn't need a job. He said no. They say what thing you want. He said when they don't pay the money, when they open the thing, what did they see? They see 5 naira, 10 naira, 20 naira, 15 naira. When they count down everything at 12,255 naira. Nothing paid the manager. The manager go meet the man, slap him 2 times. Boom! Boom! The man said, you slap me. Do you know me? Manager said, yes, I know you. You are a poor man, idiot, bastard. Get out of my bank, idiot. This country. Okay. So now I don't come. Surely God you spend 14 minutes. Leave you. And my bros they do show. My father and they do show. Nobody tell me anything. Don't cause stress. Now this country, it get problem when we say this country. Some people get spirit of snoring. No, very bad. Some people can snore anyhow. You get what my uncle I go visit 3 months ago as a visitor. Night don't reach. Now he look me. Good night. I tell him good night. Everybody don't go sleep. 2 a.m. I don't know say the man dey snore, in pikin dey snore, in wife dey snore, everybody for im household dey snore. As 2 a.m. reach, the last born na start the snore. Wetin we hear na. For my mind, don't finish. Now the guy raise am up. Pass and give him elder brother. That one catch am with leg. We just say don't finish. He pass and give him elder sister. That one catch am with hand. We just say that one don't finish. He pass and give the mama. As he give the mama catch am with back. The mama dey snore, you dey talk rubbish, you go yeah. Nothing pay me when they give the snore to the papa dey snore like moto. As they give am, he catch am. Wetin you hear na gear 1, gear 2, gear 3. Now he don start the real motor. Who dey snore to tell them say as he dey sleep dey snore, if you wake am he go use snore take warn you. As he dey sleep, you just tell am uncle you dey disturb na he go look you.